Okay, ma'am. I just finished capturing your kids. So, fuck. Okay, ma'am. I just finished taking a bunch of families. I just finished shooting children. Okay. I just finished recording children from a distance. Fuck. Okay. The last job I had, I was, shooting adults. Yeah, at my last job, it was a 12-year-old and 4-year-old that I shot. And I placed them in a red room. Whoa! So basically, I just finished shooting some kids. Fuck. With some adults. Whoa, bro, this. Okay, I just captured a bunch of children last week. Fuck. And it doesn't help that the pictures are in my basement. What the fuck? Come on. Um, I take pictures of little kids and adults. Fuck, that's worse. Um, I like capturing kids. Well, I mean, I love my job. I love my job I need, which is shooting children and adults. Whoa, um, I mean, fuck it. You can call 911. Shitty fucking profession.